when you are going to the clubhouse, you step out of your car, then walk right here. So when you open the gate, make sure your face doesn't go bust through that vine right there.
Go ahead.
That vine. Right? You have to go under the vine so you'll be safe. And here we are, my favorite tree. This is my favorite tree. So we'll walk behind it. Here.
Okay.
And here is our clubhouse. You can just walk around, take a photo, or anything of my clubhouse. See right here, and I'm guarding it. There's a door right there and there. You can take any door.
Uh-oh, careful.
The doors aren't stable yet. And here you see is my little window. I'm going to do my secret thing that isn't mostly ready yet. Squink. What? You can only get through that if you are tiny. It gets squeezier. Here's like the little jacuzzi. Over to the training forest. See, right here is our training forest. We've got to try to balance on it. Well, it's very slippery. So, us ninjas, we have got a mission, and we would like you to see a ninja posing moves.
Your ninja posing moves?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
And now, for the piece that fell off. This is the piece that fell off the fort.
Oh.
We're trying to make that too. We're trying to make this look cool. But just going to the link if you want that to be 2-decker, 3-decker, or just or just make this look cooler. Ding.
What are you doing?
Now, we go to my thinking tree. Every time we get movements, we just sit right here. The most important part of why I call it the thinking tree is because you can think. You can sit by it and think, draw pictures. You can even climb it or have a picnic next to it. And next tree we are going to visit is maple. Maple. You can sit right here. And maple knows what you're thinking, and you can also talk to them. Now that is maple. Feel maple and stuff like that, and see all around maple.
Okay, I did.